Those are very heartfelt condolences that are pouring in. People seem to be in absolute disbelief. Divyesh Singh is joining us live from Cooper Hospital in Mumbai. Divyesh, the last rites of Sushant Singh Rajput scheduled today, if you could just confirm that. And also the autopsy report has come in, but the viscera has been further sent across for the further forensic analysis. What more are you picking up on that front, Divyesh?
Chaiti, the autopsy report hasn't come in as of now. It is only through sources that prima facie findings, what they cite from the body marks and other details that they have found during the autopsy, which they had started at Cooper Hospital's morgue. Only through the primary findings, they have said that it seems to be a case of suicide. These are just primary findings. The report is yet to be submitted. It will only come out only when chemical analysis is done by expert forensic doctors at the JJ Hospital. Only then a report will be submitted. But as of now, what we've been told through sources is that the primary findings cite that it could be a case of suicide. Also, the doctors here are waiting for Sushant's father to arrive so that they could further conduct details. They need his signature for many other things, many procedures that have to be conducted on the body, and they're waiting for that. Also, we've been told that the expert doctors from forensic, they will conduct further chemical analysis, and only then opinion could be given. It could also take time. The viscera could be sent to the forensic laboratory for further chemical analysis to check on what he had consumed, what all.
Absolutely. Divyesh Singh reporting from Mumbai, from Cooper Hospital, getting us those details right there. Sushant's death has engulfed his hometown, Patna, in grief. His father and other family members are in a state of shock. They will leave for Mumbai after 11 a.m.
इतना मतलब क्या बताया सकता, हम लोग इतने हतप्रभ हैं, कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि इस तरह का दिन देखना पड़ेगा। जो लड़का अपना ज़िंदगी शुरू भी नहीं किया था, वो ख़त्म हो गया ज़िंदगी। तो हम लोग काफ़ी हतप्रभ हैं और बहुत बड़ा राज्य और देश का क्षति हो गया, हम ये मानते हैं। ऐसा कुछ लगता नहीं था कि डिप्रेशन का इतना जो राइजिंग स्टार हो कहेगा डिप्रेशन में जाएगा, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा। इतना अच्छा, इतना बढ़िया कैरियर है। अब तो फिर वहाँ जाने के बाद विशेष पता चल पाएगा, अभी कुछ पता चल नहीं पा रहा है सच्चाई। वहाँ पहुँचेंगे तो फिर हम लोग देखते हैं।
The last rites of actor Sushant Singh Rajput will be performed in Mumbai today, and the family members of Sushant who stay in Patna, they will be leaving for Mumbai at 11:20 this morning. His father, Mr. KK Singh, and some other family members, one of the sister who's also here in Patna, they all will be leaving for Mumbai today at 11:20, and thereafter what we are learning that in the afternoon or by late evening, the final rites of Sushant Singh will be performed in Mumbai. And as the news of Sushant's suicide reached Patna, his father was completely shocked, and he broke down. And yesterday also at night we were talking to his father, his family members. Nobody was convinced at the fact that Sushant Singh Rajput was under depression, or he was consulting doctors and could have taken such a drastic step of ending his life. But as the news had reached, absolutely there is tragic news has reached. The family is completely broken down and relatives have been pouring in, and what we know today is that the last rites will be conducted, and for that his father along with few other family members will be leaving for Mumbai at 11:20 this morning. With camera person Deepak Kumar, this is Rohit Singh in Patna for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.